Okay, so this is Lab 04. Um, in this video, I'm going to explain what all I have done in order to complete this assignment. So the first part, or task one of this assignment, was basically configuring and installing the necessary softwares and packages which are needed, including the LAMP server, Snort, PHP peer. I've already done that. So what I'll do is I'll start from the end of task one, which is starting off Snort, and then move over to task two. So the first thing which needs to be done is enable Snort uh, capturing. Now this has been initialized. Once this is done, what I need to do is go over to my um, attacker VM. And on the attacker VM, what I'm going to do is do an nmap scan and check what output I'm getting on my victim's system, all the packets which are analyzed by Snort. So I'm doing a sync scan, and also with the -o in the script, I'll try to understand what is the operating system on which the victim VM is running. So I started the nmap scan on this, and I'll move over to my victim VM. So victim VM is receiving these packets from the attacker. These are basically the ping sweeps that are coming in from the scanning packets which are coming in from the attacker VM on the victim VM. So I'll wait till the scan is over. The scan is over, and now I'll go over to my victim VM to see what kind of packets have been received. So these are all the packets which have gone back and forth. So I'll explain a couple of packets here. So if we look at this particular packet, what it explains is this is first this has the timeline, the timestamp, which explain when the packet came in. Then what it explains is the source of the packet, the port number from which it came, the destination, and the destination port. So the destination port here is 22. Then it tells the time to live, that is the TTL, which is 64 here. This defines type of service. The IP length of this packet was 20 and the total datagram length was 40. This defines a sequence number and acknowledgement number, which are basically part of the handshake mechanism of the handshake mechanism of the TCP. So here we can see that acknowledgement and the window size are both set as 0 from the attacker side. Now if we look at this packet, it is from the victim VM 192.168.1.6, and it's going from port 22 to port 34959. So because of this packet, the attacker VM would know that this port is open, as it is getting a reply from this. In this, the information is again the timestamp, the time to live, type of service, IP length, the datagram length, the sequence number, acknowledgement number, the window size. Then there is also this, which is basically the maximum transferable units, which is for 1414 packet bytes in this particular packet. So these are basically all the packets which have been obtained, all the packets which were attacked from by the attacker VM were sync packets, because we used the -ss script in our attack. So these were all the packets which were analyzed um, by Snort, and this basically gives the information breakdown of the total packets received, how many were analyzed, the rate of packets captured, um, along with other information such as how many of them were IPv4 TCP packets, um, how many were ARP packets, how many had bad checksums. All this information was obtained by analyzing the data which was captured by Snort. Now, this basically concludes task 2,